Traders, bizarre ride to the far side, round 6. Who can hear me? Good, 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 good. All right. That means I'm going to turn the camera on. All right. We're about to get serious when I'm taking the watch off. No, I'm just kidding. The only thing I do with my Apple Watch is charge it. Oh, sorry. It gets so warm right there. The glue is melting. All right. Good morning, everyone. The first thing I want to point out here is the touch of the 200 was just kind of like an electric fence this time. Is it too early for the bulls to be jumping in? Is it too early? Right? We've already filled all these. Let's get rid of all these. All these. Yeah, that one was filled. 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 Okay. Good, 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 good. Wow. Yeah. So 100 points overnight again. Does it calm down in the middle of the day and just start the market maker's chance to make a little bit of money, right? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're outside the narrowest range, folks. We do not need the Keltner channels again today. We're starting wide range of 87 points. Now, I do believe we actually have a range larger than that. Oops, that was the wrong button. That's the button I was looking for. Because we are so far off the bottom. We are, 240 points off the bottom right now. We were 300 points off the bottom just a little bit ago, overnight. All right, so this glaring gap here, right? Glaring gap. Glaring gap. The glaring gap. And then the other thing I see on the upside is the high-to-high trend line. Right. Now, remember the other day when I was like, well, we're going to look at these numbers down here, and if it goes here, but I don't really think it's going to go here, and it did, right? So let's do that to the upside. There's no way, right? There's no possible way we go to 53.77. None. Okay, 1%. Right? Remember I said that the other day, right? I said 54.70, I think I said something like that, or 53.70 or something like that. And we were so far from it, there was no way. Then right on down to the old train station. Right? You guys know about the Yellowstone train station? Shh. It's a secret. Don't tell nobody nothing. Right? So what do we do, right? If we look at the KISS chart on the daily, we're in the chop zone. So it says be careful. Let's go to the 4-hour. Excuse me. All right, so I guess the first thing that I see is line break. We're going to find out. It's a rather massive move. It's about 50 points. So we're watching to see if we break below the close of this red bar or not. Okay, we're in position 1 to the downside. It's not fresh by any means. Here's fresh. Here's the reload. Okay, let's see if we got anything on the 15-minute. Well, it's not fresh. Well, here's the reload, right? We'll get to the 15-minute KISS chart here in just a minute. Okay, let's go to the news. International trade in goods and services. Oh, wait, 30 hours. Tomorrow's the 10-year note auction. Thursday is the 30-year note auction. So 08, 30 hours, we have news. Okay, let's go to the 15-minute KISS chart. And then we'll get into the volume profile here. I know I'm doing it backwards, but that's okay. All right, so they're starting to light up on the short side again here. Here's the perfect entry. Look at this. We have price, 8 EMA, 20 SMA, 200 SMA, all in this hierarchy. That's when you start taking the next red overtakes green. So now do we get it again? Yeah, there's a nice short on there. Is anyone short? Anyone short from 56.25? If you did, good job. I apologize for yawning. I may have to go caffeine early, folks. I did get my 7 hours of sleep, so I don't know what the heck is happening here. I think I need to run around the block real quick and I'm Joe Dirt. Erica got it. Good, good, good. Let's look at the volume profile. Let's look at a couple of volume profiles. Okay, for the first time in a few days, we're above the VPOC, right? So what we're asking ourselves is this accumulation enough? Did they get enough inventory to take it higher or not? We don't know the answer. Look, we can't control the answer. All we can do is control how we react to the news that we portray, the information we portray from the answer it gives us. The market's going to give us the actual answer. What it is, we don't know. Let's not guess as to what it is. Does this hold? Does this volume node hold? What do they do with it down here? It looks like they tried to accumulate it and try to pop it back upwards, right? So now if we make it upwards, well, what do we got here at 53.59? What do we got here at? It's probably another 100 points. 50, 130. It's 110 points more. 54.67. Oh my goodness, folks, these are just absolute gaps, right? This is what happens when you have high volatility, low liquidity. Now, I here's something I haven't talked about. How many people are in here? 53. War doesn't make stocks go down. I'll say that one more time. War doesn't make stocks go down. Okay, now that I've said that, how much do we believe that this is the top of the absolute top of the stock market? Because the people on Twitter that say that's the top of the stock market for 13 effing years now say that's the top of the stock market. Don't be stupid, people. This can go up as fast as it can go down. War doesn't make stocks go down. Now watch, all you guys are going to grab your little charts and go, well, look, when they declared the war and it went down. Yeah, okay. 6 months from then, what was it? 12 months from then, what was it? 18 months from then, what was it? 10 years from then, 5 years, 15 years from that, what was it? Thanks, go ahead. I'll wait for the answer. I know the answer. You have to know that answer when you're a financial analyst, right? Because everybody wants to know, right? Okay, now that we've got that off of our chests, good, good. Now you see how the stock market works. Wait, loss of life doesn't make the market go down? No, not even a little bit. Uncertainty makes the market go down. Okay. All right. Next thing, next order of business. Next order of business. We got the new Mancini here. Let's see if I'm missing anything. Okay, so 2 minute. That's spicy. I like that. 2 minutes got a short pattern up. That is the wrong button. I like that. Oh, I like that. They tried. They tried their damnedest to get it going. Nope. Nope. Okay, so we got the news out of the way. Let's go ahead and get the Mancinis. All right, what we have going on now is the way that I find my levels is I look at Adam Mancini 4 on Twitter. He is technical analysis 101 guru. Look, he gains quite a few hundred followers a day. A day. Okay. What he does is he lays out technical analysis 101, the most simple way that you can look at technical analysis. What he does is he lays it out for you. So what he does is he puts it on there. So I'm going to take these levels right here and I'm going to put them on my 15-minute chart or any chart that you choose. It doesn't matter to me. And I'm going to use them as my trading levels like people use pivots. Okay. Bunch of levels. After Monday's historic sell, yesterday saw the first short squeeze with 5191 long trigger. I wrote in my 4 p.m. newsletter I was looking for 5252. Okay, that's where we're at now. 5274, 5300, 5338, and clipped 5300, then dipped. Plan today 5252, 5230 are supports. Keeps 5274, 5300, 5338 live. 5230 fails, we retest 5191. Okay, so he's just doing the up and down, right? It's all the same numbers whether we go up or down. Good, 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 good. Okay. I took the kids 08, 06, and we went and floated the river yesterday. We went late. That's the first time I've ever done that. It was still 88 degrees when we got out of the water, but man, it felt really cold. My wife was like, "See, that's why I don't go when it's 92 degrees." No, when it was 92, it was fine. It's because I was standing in the shade as well. It's freezing. Long? Lexi's long on the old Lexi trade. Good, 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 good. Okay, I just got my 517 Mancini lines for the morning put in. Good. The good thing is it's the same numbers up and down. Nice trade, nice trade, nice trade, nice. Good, 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 good. All right, so that was a nice liquidity pocket, Erica. That last trade that you took at 56.25. You see how it was in the middle of the prior red bar. Okay, Mancini 52 is going to keep me not shorting 52. Not shorting 52. $388 at 64. Do they have to clear that first? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if that's a large enough. I don't know if that's a large enough offer. News and 10. And it is a red star. Now, ask yourself, how does the bid and offer get any smaller than it is now? Oh, you just wait. You're going to see it. Yeah, great job, Kevin. Yeah, Kevin, is there different militaries over there, or is it all just the military? It's the military. What branch you in? The military. The the. As you can tell by the last name, Kevin does not live in America. So then when he says he's joining the military for 10 months, he literally means joining the military for 10 months. Love it. Great advice, Elijah. Great advice. I am not going to counter trend this because the 15-minute is still potentially down. I'm going to get a sweatshirt because it's cold. Ah, that's why I didn't counter trend. Good, good, good. Notice they're still selling this thing. All right, the game plan out now. If you want to have some information on exactly how we trade our 100 level trade on stream, here it is, folks. Folks, I had to get some caffeine in me. I apologize for opening my can early. I will still cheers in 34 minutes. Oh man, I'm dragging. Can't really do anything here. Mancini, 52. Why did I not? Why did I not mark that? Triple hit. All right, there's the news. There's the news we were waiting for. Okay, down into position one. Anyone short? I'm not. Great job, guys. Great job. Great job. Good morning. Pivot 38. The over under is 30. Panic headlines. There's your pivot. Great trade. Great. I've got it all drawn out for you the way that I would look at it in terms of removing liquidity, right? So many tails right there. Look at that. Just whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, I neglected to see the light on that one. Okay, all right. They get that one was for free. That one was on me. Mr. Rob, it's a good morning to you, sir. Someone needed to retain your services yesterday because they got caught stealing in the market, Rob, but we couldn't figure out how much your retainer was. Someone said it was very expensive. I'm gonna believe that. Oh yeah, it was beautiful. Oh, it was a thing of beauty yesterday, Rob. Moving sucks. Well, the okay, good. That's a good step. Or now the next step is to remove that feeling. Good, 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 good. It's funny. We have Art P and we have RP in the room. 30 is the next stop, Rob. 30 is the next Mancini. Mateo, morning. Mm, hmm 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 Good, good, good. Yep. Check your feelings at the door. The market is a fickle beast. Yep. Right at pivot. Mr. Andy, it's a good morning to you.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, stops down. Oh, it's going to come back and get me now. All right, well, it was a good trade anyway. First target, if I get it, 31.25. Stop is 37.25. Yeah, it's a shit trade. Yeah, I was going to, but I'm out. Yeah, it's at the pivot. That would have been if it were to keep running green, right? That would be a perfect stop hunt for the weak traders trying to buy to open the pivot, right? Now, could this trade actually fire again? Yes, it could. That the trade that I just tried to take was the Velez from the video that I posted the other day on Twitter. 31.25 first target. I have no trades on. So I'm the only one that has a pivot at 37. I believe it. I believe Ninja would do that. Yep, you're right. Um, okay, I see it. Yep. Well, hopefully, hopefully my mishap was correct. Why does it feel like it's a slow motion train wreck here? Mike 42, hit Control Shift R on your chart, and it will change it from 37 to 32, 37 to 27. 31.25. If you're still short, it's actually 31.50 because I had the wrong entry. Yeah, I made that mistake myself. Wah, wah, wah. Oh. So far in my mind, I'm just going to count this one as a good no trade, a good 2 ticks profit stop out. 49 to 38. Let's go. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and recap. What are we actually looking for? Let's get this thing popping. We got 120 people in here right now. This is fantastic. 120 people with 40 minutes till the market opens. Folks, you guys are going to succeed. Even if it doesn't feel like it now, you are doing the steps necessary to take. You are taking the steps necessary to move forward. You can't just show up at 9:28 and wipe the coal out your eyes thinking you're just going to beat the biggest computers in the world. It won't ever happen that way. I'm looking you right in the eyes. I'm looking at you. You. Yeah, you that comes in at 9:28 thinking you're going to crush the market. Don't do that. Goldman Sachs has been sitting at their desk for hours. Don't do that. Okay? Let's take a look at what are we actually looking for? What are we actually looking for? Okay, I'm going to make this so simple. You're going to go, "Wait a minute. Wait, what?" Watch. Okay? What we're going to do is we're going to look at the analog. Let me get the analog. Thank you. We want narrow state. Oliver Velez states that when a market moves from an agreement to the disagreement is where we want to execute. So what does an agreement in price look like? Your Honor, may I bring into evidence Exhibit 1. Narrow state. We all agree for an extended period of time, in this case it's 30 minutes or greater, that the price at whatever this is the most agreed upon price by time. Okay? So we want to trade when we get the disagreement in price. We don't want to trade where there's an agreement in price. What are we going to do? What are we going to agree upon something? So what are we waiting for, right? Because we don't know which way it's going to move. Well, look, it's just going to move up. You don't know that. You absolutely will get slaughtered if you think you just know it's going to move up, right? Because that's not how it works. So we wait till it tells us, and then this is where we execute. Whatever your momentum trade is, folks, that's the trade that you take right here, all the way through right here. Now, watch. As it gets long in the tooth, you have to be very careful. We don't want to trade here. You better be a 400 level trader to trade here. You better be an 800 level trader to trade here, meaning you better be almost finished with med school in terms of trading to trade here. Okay, grad school. Okay, freshman class, sophomore, junior, senior. Okay, just graduated regular university. Now you're moving on to the next, right? Maybe. Okay, maybe. So think about it in that way, right? All we're waiting for is our pattern to repeat when this chart is in our favor. So anything after 7:40 a.m., let's take a look. Oh, perfect. Boom, there's the short. Oh, okay. Boom, there's the short. Okay, boom, there's the short. Okay, boom, there's the short. Okay, boom, there's the short. Don't make it any more complicated. Red overtakes green when we're in position 1. Yeah, but Rev, how do you know that the next trade wins? Yes. Rev, does the next trade win or lose? Yes. It does. That's what it does. The next trade wins or loses. Ooh, novel thought. Here we're sitting right at this level. I want to keep calling it a pivot. Tis not. In 6 minutes, do we create a very plausible GBI bar on the 15-minute? G-Man, it's a good morning to you. G-Man stands for good morning. That's G-Mon. That's G-Morn. Yeah, please hit the like button if you like what you see so far. Let's go, Tim. Thank you. Yeah, all of you guys that said it over the last 24 hours. Let's go. Tim W., how are you, buddy? Morning. I'm a believer that this is going to fall, but I'm too chicken to do it. This looks like a slow motion train wreck. However, Tim W is the W. That's right. And welcome if you're new. If you're not, welcome anyway. Do we take this trade? Yikes. It's got a lot of tails down here. There's a lot of tails. Like a long-haired, what is the saying? Like a long-tailed cat in a rocking chair factory. Oh, stop it. I'm going to do a poll. While we're sitting here waiting for this market, I'm going to do a poll. Okay, I'm going to give you smartass as a cop-out answer. Here's the okay. When you're watching the videos and the content that we put out, are you watching for the setups, the trade setups, or are you watching for the mental game? And yes, you jerks, you get an answer too. All right, go ahead. Let's get that out. Folks, we've got a ton of people in here this morning. It's very nice to see everybody in here. Welcome. Regardless of what you see on Twitter and in the news, the world is not falling apart, folks. This is very orderly selling. And let me tell you how I know it's very orderly selling. Are you ready? Because the spread is one tick wide. So it's almost as if it's planned selling. Now, I know that sounds weird, right? But panic is 10 points wide. Panic is 10 points wide. 35.50 target if you're short. There's so many tails here. I don't like the short at all. But I got nothing that tells me I can go long, right? Nada. Like I have it drawn. I have the short drawn, folks. Okay, but look, where in here does it say buy or sell? Nowhere. Nowhere. So I'm chilling. I've almost pulled the trigger like 3 or 4 times, folks. Yeah, and Brandon, huge positions, long or short. Buy to open, buy to close, sell to open, sell to close. We will never know. We know that the stock market is designed to go up. Okay, here's what else we know. We've been going up for 14 years. What? This is the longest bull run in history. Right now, you could say that the bull run has only been since 2020. Okay, they're technical guy. Technically, Dad. Technically, we had a crash and we had a bear market in 2020 to the COVIDs. Fine. This is still a 14-year frickin' run. Did you get to buy in when it went down? All right, everybody, it's time to go ahead and grab your frosty beverage, your cold beverage, your hot beverage, your room temperature beverage. It's time to go ahead and put your glasses in the air. It's my favorite time of the morning. Cheers. It's going to be a cheers to a safe trading day. Everybody be vigilant. Understand that we trade in probability and protection, and let's get it. Cheers. Let's go, baby. Let's get a cheers from everybody. If you're new, hit it up. This is your chance to hoot and holler. Let's go, baby. 35.50 was your target if you took that short. Right. Oh. I see it right at the 15-minute. Uh, there's so many tails. There's so many tails. Yeah. They, like we're at a candle factory. No, these are the cats near the rocking chairs, Brian. These tails are cats. Just imagine them all just and then the rocker goes. A scalding hot coffee. Please do not drink that. Thank you for the clarification, Dustin. Oh, you still in? Good, good, good. I like it. I like it. Stop is about 44 quarts. Just stinging. I hate that feeling. Like then, and then you go to eat ketchup like in like 3 days, and you're like, ooh, right, or something citrus, oranges, orange juice, tangerines, grapefruit. I miss the super wide stops. Bring them back. Less guessing, Andy. Less guessing. Yeah, Erica, I'm so unsure of this. I still think it's a pivot, right? I'm kidding. I'm kidding. All right, we'll let you know when we see something here. We being me and the mouse in my pocket. They're building a foundation. Take a look at your volume profile. What we have here. What does he say? What we have here is a failure to communicate. Are they trying to buy this just below this node here? And now, is there a reason that they're doing it? We're going to find out. Or is there someone that's got enough supply to welcome all the buyers, all they can eat all day long? Let me get your coat for you, right? So that we have a battle. Because what are they doing? Why is it sitting here so long? What are we waiting for, right? Those are the questions that need to be asked and answered. Good, 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 good. I love it when it just moves, puts it wherever it wants it to. We have a gap that has to get filled, folks. We have a gap. Look, I'm just going to go ahead and point this bad boy out. Let's get the elephant in the room up out of this business, okay? I can't go long either. Can't do it. Wouldn't be prudent. No, no new longs. No new shorts. Can't happen. Not on my watch. I got nothing, folks. I got absolutely bubkiss here. G. C. G. C. G. Let's confirm. Let's confirm that we're out of narrow range by 1.5 miles, shall we? 1.5 miles. A nautical mile, he says. Oh, yeah. Now, tomorrow, think about how big the range is going to have to be. Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, You're only a range away. Look at this. P rudder. Boom! I love the smell of napalm in the morning. Erica's still alive. Erica Short is still alive. What was your target? 3175, 3125, right? 31. Oh, yeah. 3150. 3175 even. Ooh. Erica, come on now. Come on now. Now, we also have a liquidity removal going on as well, right? But it's a little bit lower. I'm going to take that back. I don't think there's any liquidity removal right here at all. I think the look. Let me just explain. Was ist das? I think the liquidity removal is going to happen right here. That's what this is scaring the jabibis out of me. Tails, wicks. We were at the cat long-tailed cat rocking chair factory. Now we're moving into the old candlestick factory here. It's a weird bar coding, Rob. Yep. It's a weird bar coding. Yeah, we're working on the volume now. Art, your instructions are to crank up the volume and rip off the knob. Those are very, very specific instructions, Art. My eyes are watering. Oh, stop with that, Andy. Stop. If you feel suffocated by the trailing drawdown in your smaller 25 or $50,000 evals, I want you to take that code right there and get a 250 or $300,000 eval and see, okay, they're $40, right? And see if it releases that tension that you feel. All right, so we're watching the opening of this bar on the 15-minute chart because if it goes up a little bit more and then comes right back down, that's going to be the pinprick. We have 5 minutes till that bar closes. Yeah, no, Art, it's on our side. And so we are figuring out why it's doing that. That's what we're working on. Eli or Lexi, check the email, please. Yeah, mad. It's weird, right? Like you don't have that decision, that extra layer decision. You just take the trade or not. Erica, one tick from your stop. Let's go. Oh yeah, because the bell, if you have a platform that has a bell, like Thinkorswim, right? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I didn't think about that. It's been so long since I've had one of those platforms open. No, I take that back. Tastyworks has it, but I don't. I don't open it. I open it. I have it on my phone, and we are working on that. Everybody, you have been heard. Even if you can't hear me, you have been heard. Yeah, gee, before you got here, I took a quick trade at 37.75 in that beginning one. It gave me about 4 points and then came back and stopped me for a couple ticks profit. As you can see, right, racha, racha, racha. If you haven't done it in a while, please save your workspace. You're welcome. All of you. Workspace, save check. Yeah, it is flagging. It is flagging. I would have to agree with that just because of our position 1 on the 15 and 2. It needs more liquidity, Rob. It needs more liquidity. They need more suckers. Volume looks great, right? Over the threshold is over 180, 190,000 when we come in at 8 a.m. We were above that. Volume was over 3 million contracts yesterday. It was a thing of beauty. What did it come up to be? Let's take a look at what we actually got. Volume. $3.2 million. 3.2 million the day before. 2.7 the million the day before. We got some churn going through here. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Let me show you. Okay, Stan, everybody. There's a little speaker icon in your taskbar on the lower right hand. Okay. Right click that and open Volume Mixer. Okay. Check this out. Watch. Go down here. Okay. And find. See, so here's where I would be. I'm right here in this one right here. Okay. You're gonna have this one will mute your NinjaTrader, right? And then if you had, let's say you have one of those ones that has a bell on it, Thinkorswim or Tastyworks or I think Schwab or whatever, you can just turn that volume down. Now, another thing is, you guys all know that you have volume controls on YouTube as well, right? Let's try to work everything on you guys' side as well as us working on our side, okay? Erica not taken out yet. Sorry if you covered. What do you have to do to one day pass Apex? You have to go on their website and you have to look at it for yourself. That's what you have to do. I don't work for Apex. Great question. Great question. We got 14 minutes till the opening bell, folks. Information like that. That was Wayne Williamson. The best way to get that information is to actually find it yourself. That way, it's not hearsay or secondhand information. That's the best way to find that. Doug. Nope. Top Step's the only one it doesn't work on. They got rid of all their affiliates. And your Art P, you're doing that in the simulator, right? Now, Art P, here's the secret of how you can do it, right? You just have to have this on your phone. And when it's not in first position, there's nothing that you have to do. Nothing at all. Go make sure that the ladybugs are happy. Right? Very simple. Very simple. Weekly profit made in 2 days. Let's go, baby. Good. So Doug, you had a good week yesterday. When you're on your iPad and you're on your iPhone, okay, make sure that you turn, what is it? Elisha showed it to me one time. There are settings where it goes soft and loud. – 50% says yes. Okay, let's end the poll. Yeah, I want to see this. I know what the answer. I know what's going to go on here. 103 votes. Look at this. When you watch the videos we create, do you watch for trade setup or mental work? Yes. You smart asses. Thank you. Okay, that's going on Twitter. That's the right to waffle, right? That's the right to waffle. That's a trader's answer, right? Yes. Good. Oh, welcome back to the barcode. Are they running time off the clock for 10 minutes and 15 seconds? 5 bars? Erica's sitting there just like, come on. I'll be right back. Erica, while you're still short, I'll be right back. Trade with Mike. While I'm gone for just a minute, I want you guys to create the game plan that you're going to trade this morning, right? And and if you haven't signed up for the game plan, there it is, folks. If you're a lifetime member of MFT or you have had a one-on-one call with me already, email contact@sageft.com for your discount code. Also, if you're going to book another coaching call with me and you have been a lifetime member or have had a one-on-one call with Sage, that's me. I don't know why I said it in third person. Email us for the coupon code. You will thank us. I promise you. Whose course? I've never sold a course. If you had lifetime access to me inside of MFT, contact us for your discount code. I will be right back. Okay, we're open for business, and we got a big move up and a big move down. There's 31. Good call on that. Okay, the fractal fired off short on the 2-minute at the same time. Here. Boy, that didn't work. Close enough. Ugh. Right back into nothing. Well, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to nothing. Yeah, bottom. You put what does they say? You put wish and want in one hand and shit in the other. See which one piles up faster. Let's go. VPOC shift 40. Welcome back to the VPOC, everybody. Welcome back. So, do they have supply? Are they still giving out supply? Are they finding this value to sell to open supply to the 04s, right? And where am I getting 04 from? Kookaburra. 10-year auction tomorrow, 30-year auction Thursday. We've got the flat 20 simple here. Absolutely flat. How do you say flat in Spanish? Don't make me ask Siri. Welcome to all 140 of you. Let's break records today. Let's get over 155 people in here today. Tell your friends, share the link. Folks, we are here to make trading simple. My name is SageFT. My real name is Revan Wood. I've been doing this since February 14th of 2011. February 14th of 2011 was the first day that I ran my ES room. I used to work for a company called PureTick. PureTick.com. It no longer exists. The owner is now running some other weird YM room. I don't even know what the name of it is. Market Safari, Market Dancer, Market. I don't know. He's changed several times because he just keeps getting awesomer. It's a real word. Look it up. Yeah, definitely. Little to no follow through. Yep. Okay, 20 seconds here. Buckle up. 20 seconds, buckle up here. Oh, they're going to run it without us. Don't you. Yeah. They just front ran us. You guys saw that, right? We had the perfect trade setting up. Next. Where's my next button? Tukir sabe come se dice flat. So flat is flat. Oh, plano. Plano is flat. Thank you. Is Plano, Texas flat? You guys like that question? That's like a lawyer question, right? That's a setup. That's like a baseline question for like a lie detector test. All right. They're getting some pinpricks going on here on the 15-minute. Okay. Are we getting a GBI or are we not getting a GBI? Because the pinpricks keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Are we creating a bigger GBI or are we creating a massive sword and shield? The problem is we have 9 minutes to find out. Starting to look weak, but where's your stop? Your stop is like 76 points above you. I'm kidding. It's not 76 points. Is Plano, Texas flat? Not sure. Hey, Andy, that 8-ball has feelings. Yeah, Andy wanted big stops. I do want to point out, whoops. I do want to point out all of this is actually working in the correct spot of this here. Check it out. Okay, keep that in mind that they filled the liquidity, right? They filled the liquidity removal, right? The only way that this red bar can actually happen is through the liquidity removal. There's two ways to remove liquidity: hit the bid or remove the bid, right? Those are the two ways that you can remove liquidity. So they came, and so now they've filled. Look at this, bink. So now, is this the trade? I'm too scared to take it. I'll be real honest. I don't have enough data on it. This is washboardy getting bigger, right? Ah, the megaphone. Oh, the megaphone. He said yes, very flat. We don't need Magic 8-ball to tell us that, right? See, if you remember the narrative from a little bit ago, maybe an hour ago, I said, it looks like a slow motion train wreck lower, but where's the stops? It's like, do they need more liquidity before they can take it, right? Hmm. 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 No change. 5230 support. Just tested. Weak now. Must hold 5252 plus live. 5230 fails. Dip to 5191. Did he change 91? 5191. 5191. No, it's still, that's the same. Okay, good. No change. Yeah. The 20 simple. So folks that are new, when we talk about coral snake, look, green, red, green, red, green, red. There's no advantage to this. Rat hole. It's too high. 10 loss. Oh, I think. No trade. Boy. You guys smell that? Tell me if you smell something burning. I do. What is that identifiable smell? Could it be? Yep. 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 That's the top step accounts burning and churning and patiently waiting, patiently crouching at the starting line, right? Blowing and blowing at the starting line. There it goes. There it goes without us. Good Lord, look at that. 26 is your target. Get ready. Get ready. You wanted wide stops, Andy Young. You got your wide stop, brother. There's your target. There's your trade. Taylor, he's younger than you think. 7 minute abs. Let's go, Nick. $26 even is your target. Target 1 or 1-to-1 risk reward, depending on what you're doing. Ooh, it's beautiful. But goodness gracious. You bought 'em. There's your first target, folks. There's your first target. Let's go, Dad. So we see how that worked, right? They played the liquidity out, got him to believe that it was coming back in. Look, it's a big green bar. Tap it. Now, is it a coincidence that it tapped here and then closed here? No. Tad, you've got a birthday present coming to you. All mods, you've got a birthday present coming to you. If it's your birthday or not, you've got something coming to you from me. Some of you have already received it. We will get you lined out here shortly. 26 was the target. Look at that, folks. Just under a 10-point trade. Just under a 10-point trade. Now, think about this. If you only had to make 10 points per day, you are vamos. Vamonos. However you say it. Arriba, you are out of here. The DMV sent me a birthday letter. Yeah, it said it's time to renew. It's time to renew. Yep, it said $136, please. Or no, maybe not. They're not that expensive, right? Oh, look at them playing the games with these hammers. Look at them playing the freaking games with those hammers, folks. Look at them. Look at them. They're like, here, go ahead. Go ahead and bet that it's a little to no follow through. Go ahead. Oh, no. Oh. Now, the 15 minute. Let me see if I can draw it, but it's there. But to be completely honest, you actually would have gotten stopped out like 2 or 3 times. Look, it isn't until this last one wicks all the way up here and then drops to give you your target. Okay? So how many times did it, right? Those are flat, flat, flat. So this one, all right. So then this one you enter, or maybe you don't. Maybe you could have taken it right. The stop was 11.5 points. You just hit your first target right there. Is that right? 11.5, 12.5 points? 12.5 points. Whatever it is, whatever it is. Man, I just missed all of those trades because my KISS chart's in the right spot, but eh, 15-minute was in the right spot. Fractal turned down. Oh, did I just miss a doozy? I did. Oh. Folks, I'm going to go cry under the desk. '30s, you're over under by Mancini. Watch your 30s. Watch your 30s. Pivot 27.75. No, the car's better. Just go out and sit in the garage, turn the car on without opening the garage. What are you doing? Oh, I missed a trade. All right, we're breaking records, folks. We just capped over 155 to the stream. Let's get it. Remember, you were here first when there was less than 200 people. Remember, when there's 10,000 people in here, you were here when there was less than 200. You saw it first, right? You bought it first. Look at the bar. This is why we stayed safe. If you took shorts, great job. But here's what I want to show you. Everyone's playing the same game. Don't kid yourself. Look at how we have it drawn and look at how it bounces back. Okay, if you're the type of trader that goes, yeah, but Rev, it bounced down to 22 and you said 26. Okay, then kick rocks. 22 is 26. What I mean by that is look at how it comes up here. Bink. Okay, and then stops right here. I remember when there was, yeah, he had less than 200 people in a stream, and then about 600, four or 500, and then 600. He was trying to use that sure trader or whatever, trying to trade stocks or whatever. Yikes! Right now, I was going to call 29.50, but I balked. Stop would have been 20, what, 22, 23? How many? Yeah, how many of you remember when Sage came into Pat's chat? Let's go. They were like, "Who is this guy?" Then they realized, "Oh, oh, who?" Not only see here's my niche. Here's my niche. Not only do I understand how the markets work and I can trade. Okay, great. I can duplicate it. I can make a master copy. Are you the master copy? Some of you are the master copy. Ooh, Mad Marlin. Yikes. We wish you a speedy recovery. Ouch. Giovanni. Let's go, Giovanni. Let's reminisce while we wait for the next setup, right? We're back to the coral snake. Red, green, red, green, red, green. We went nowhere. Right back to 40. Mancini, 30, holding. The rooster. Hey, we all wish we could trade from Hawaii. We'll say that. No fill. God damn it. 47 target. Are you for real? Okay, hit your target. Hit your target if you got it. No fill for me. No fill for me. Bang! If you got it, good job. No fill for daddy. It said, no, no, you don't get paid. Okay. Now, why would I take this long? Because the fractal fired off. The fractal. Bink! All right, Robert, take a break. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, there's VWAP. Yep. Double hammer there, Thor. Wait, aren't you? Wait, you're the Punisher. Looks like it's Punisher versus Thor. Oh, look at him just take. You rat bastards. Great job, those of you that got it. Absolutely fantastic. Those of you that got it, let's go. Good, 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 good. Now we just blew through all the prior liquidity, pool of liquidity, right? Here's the last one. To the tick. To the tick, folks. It is so rude of them to do that. Why? Look at the 15-minute. It is absolute. Oh my God. Folks, the shorts might have a problem here. Houston, do you copy? Uh-oh. Is it time to put... Andy, I think it's time to put the Houston Astros hat on. What do you think, buddy? All right, we're going to put Atlanta on the wall. For those of you that in Atlanta, here you go. Here you go. All right, again. All right, so this week I'm showcasing all the shirts that my children have bought me, right? Yesterday was my Simpsons #1 dad bod shirt, right? Ready for today? Let's go. Big pow pow. That's the big pow pow. My son bought me this shirt. He said I had to have it when he was like 6. So this shirt is very old. All of the shirts you're going to see me wear this week are very, very old. No, I'm allergic to cats. I'm a cat guy. I love cats. I'm allergic to them. That's why I have to have 2 dogs. 2 pups. Pow pow. That's what we used to call my mom's dad. We used to call him Papa. So we used to go pow pow. And as you all know, he passed away last 2 summers ago, right? One summer. Whenever I was in Alaska streaming, you guys remember that with the awesome internet? Wow, this thing is just going. Wow, 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 wow. Houston. I've got lots of cool shirts that my kids have bought me. I've got Mario, Ninja Turtles. I've got a whole bunch of stuff, guys. Yesterday was The Simpsons. Believe it or not, I don't have any Family Guy shirts. That just struck me. I don't have any Family Guy shirts. Look at that 15-minute bonaire. J'ai bonaire. So now, would this be a huge liquidity removal? Folks, watch this. There's no way it goes to 5308. I'm sorry. It can't. I'm sorry. So sorry to tell you. um, chitterlings. Chitlins? I love those things. The fried gizzards, is that what they are? Oh, yeah. I could gain 30 pounds eating those things. Oh, yeah, folks. Yeah, if somebody wants me to wear the Family Guy shirt of their choosing, the post office box address is on SageFT.com. Size large, please. And if you want to send any sort of swag, now if the swag has some sort of company logo on it, I can't do that. But if it's like a baseball team or something, for football, it can only be Green Bay, and for basketball, it can only be Lakers. Unfortunately, but yeah. Other than that, any baseball team, any hockey team, we could make wagers, right? So here's the deal: we could make a wager where if I lose the bet, I have to wear your football team's hat, right? Just send it to me, and you'll enjoy it for one whole day or a week or whatever. Or let's say somebody, I give somebody a task, like a challenge, right? Like if you complete I'm just making this up. If you complete 300 trades by next Thursday, I will go buy a clown nose and wear it, right? Something like that, right? We can always do stuff like that, guys. I'm absolutely for all that stuff, right? Taco soup, street corn chowder. Go on, I'm listening. Okay, we've got a reversal, but is it at a lick? Ah, this is disgusting. Look at this. What? The trade was down here. What am I doing? No. 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 Nice try, Rev. Let's go. Go, Pack, go. Hopefully Nick Tudemore gets more tickets to the Packers-Lions game. We will be going. Where's it at this year? I think they play each place, right? The reason we didn't go to Detroit last year was it was on. They played on Christmas. But we definitely went to Lambeau Field for the game in September. Yeah, buddy, that was a chance of a lifetime. So now, let's look at volume profile. Are they starting to accumulate down here, right? Have they gotten all of the selling out of the way? Good. It took us a while to heat up last year. That was brutal. Okay, stops up. Break even +1. It went one tick for my target, 69.75. He shoots, he scores. Thank you. I will take that. Oh, it's coming from Tad. That's going to be a good one. Yeah, now, folks, any cool, fun sweatshirts, t-shirts, hats, I'm absolutely okay with, right? But don't send me the hat that's got your concrete business's name on it or something like that. I can't do that. That would just be so unfair to any affiliate. You know what I mean? Now, if you want to trade for me wearing that hat on this stream, that's definitely something we can talk about. Here was the trade. Here was the trade, folks. Let me just show it to you real quick, thick and juicy. Real quick, thick and juice. Real quick, thick and juice. I just took one bar, right out of Velez's playbook, right? The next green overtakes red. You risk one bar. I wasn't even going to put my stop down here because look at how it changes the dynamic of the trade. Look at this. That's what people are hoping for instead of saying, well, what if I just risk one bar? Now, did I make $1 million? No, I think I only had one contract. Still made over $200. Remember that in the 90s? Who remembers? 76 would be your second target. The smoke got real bad here again, folks. There's a fire just outside of Warm Springs, which is just north of Madras, which is about 45 miles from here, and the wind shifted from the north. Okay, 76 is your next target if you're still in. Here you go. Listen up. If I'm flat, that you'd see the orders right here. LW. It's not 100 level trade, right? So LW, if you don't have your 100 level trade yet, that wasn't your money. That was a 300 level trade, right? And here's why I say 300 level, and I'm just going to circle it. Oh, wow. I like the fractal of the 8 crossing the 200, but it's not turning the 200 up. Now, here's what it is doing. It's setting up absolutely Deutschner for, I'm pointing at the screen like you guys can see it, right? It's pointing perfectly to put the 220 fractal, which is what we call the position 1, into play. Look, here it comes. Patience. Patience. Because what if this just turns right back down and then that's gone? The best thing that can happen is this all comes together and we get a narrow state like this, right? Let's recap what we're actually looking for. All right, so what we would love to see is this. Oh, sweet mercy in the morning. And then this. Okay, but if you want it short, just flip it on the x-axis. We want this. This. This is what we want. Here, I'm going to zoom all the way in. Here. Okay, just a little bit out. Okay, here. This is what we want, folks. Listen. People are like, well, what if you did this and what if you did that? What if you didn't do this and that? What if you just did what I'm showing you? What if you're making it too complicated? What if? Ponder that thought. Ponder that thought. What if you're making it too complicated? We want to trade right here. Right here. After this. Those of you that waited for hours yesterday, you finally got your position 1, and oh boy, did it ever pay. Ask yourself this question. Can you wait 3 hours and 46 minutes for your first trade? If you can't, trading might not be for you. We're not here for the dopamine hit. 76 coming. We're not here for the dopamine hit. We're here for the income on a daily basis. Where is the dopamine hit in that? It doesn't exist, right? If you have a dopamine problem, that means you have a lack of data, which gives you the lack of confidence to execute, which means you're guessing. 76 coming. 76 coming. Well, are we allowed to judge anymore? It's okay, right? There's your target. There's your target. If you took the 76. If you took the 76, you bought them. Ryan, get with your coach and he will help you through that. Write that down. Write that down. All right. Now, are they triggering the 15-minute order block? If you've got a floater, 5308, why not, right? Your hardest line of defense is going to be right here at your 200 simple. Other than that, okay, we just held 30. We just broke 74 or whatever our number is right here. 74, sure. So it's 74 fail or not. LW, I want you to rewrite that. And I want you to remove all of the negative sentiment words. See how you have some of them in there? Okay, here's your toughest break right here. I got the Houston hat on, folks. Look, we put the Houston hat on way over here. Okay, come on. We're in there like slimwear, right? We see that shorts, they're gonna sellers, supply is gonna have to prove here if it goes any higher, right? Maybe. Oh, that just reminds me of Family Guy Dan. The floater's all, he's like, hey, you can't see me anyway. Good, 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 good. Uh-oh, Nick's a believer. Nick, you know what that means? Are you ready for this, Nick? It means you're old. The ES is your grandfather's contract. Welcome to the club, young buck. Welcome. Nick, when it moves like the NQ, when the ES moves, look, when the ES moves like the NQ, you trade the ES. Remember that kid that came in here and called us all blue hairs? Remember that kid? Ah, entertainment at its finest. So you are saying you have a lack of patience, Ryan? So, Nick, you have a need to be right. Quickly. Go on, I'm listening. Ryan, go on, I'm listening. Does the 15-minute fractal fire at the same time as the 2-minute fractal? 2-minute position 1, excuse me. Confirmed. Hey, you got coffee out of it, Ryan. What are you talking about? You got coffee out of it. Okay, the 2-minute needs to turn up. Now, we got to be careful here, um, because when the 2-minute bar goes red, the 200 goes red without the 20 going red. This is going to sound very cliche. Red flag. let's if this is going to flag, it's going to flag first, right? Now, could I be completely wrong? Yeah, I could. And it could just run without me, right? That is a lot of coffee. But don't you drink a lot of coffee? After a certain amount, it doesn't do anything to me. The caffeine just kind of does the reverse effect and makes me sleepy. That's the ADHD that kicks in. 5290's got 483. There is a massive offer above the market. From 87 to 90 and a quarter, you've got thousands of contracts. Okay, here's a new 15-minute bar, folks, closing almost at the highs. What do they do with it? Ah, you're learning the hippie speedball, Tad. Good, 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 good. Mine include one of these or sipping on this. lot of prior resistance here, and support becomes resistance. That's what I was just mapping out. Let's go, Dustin. Great job, buddy. Remember, Dustin, no DCAs on Apex. No DCAs on Apex. Do not do that. I feel like I hesitated down there, but then again, $12-point target. You'd have a 92 target. That is just too much. I want a better stop. I want a better stop. I don't like this. Volume gap at 75s. Or flat tire. What do we call them? Pothole? Pothole at 75. 80s by over under on the 2-minute chart. It's not removing the liquidity though. I don't see it. I just don't see the removal of liquidity. I see it on the 15-minute, right? And that would push it to about 52.90 if it gets going. There's one last red bar it's got to take care of. Oh my goodness, it's such a big stop. Those of you that have already hit your profit target and have left, great job. It's a big stop, folks. Decision point right here on the 2-minute chart, right? Because this is where everybody's supposed to climb in and sell. Decision point. So it's 68 or 91, right? Or 92, whatever. They're trying to lean into it. We'll see if they're correct or not, right? Because if you were counter trend, right? Let's draw it, right? You would be here and here. So you'd be looking for 74 or 75. So now, if it doesn't get there, they have to make that decision. Oh, well, there it is. Okay. They don't have to make any sort of decision. Tell you what, the sellers are enjoying all this liquidity up here, aren't they? Lots of suckers up here. Let's see if they can get through this. Good, good, good. Can they find a buyer above 88? 91's the target if you're long from 80. 91, 92. Here comes the sellers. Here they come. It's a trap. Let's see if my reverse psychology takes it to 5308, right? 5308. Oh, we got a new Mancini. Am I even talking to anyone? I don't know what happened. My internet went down for the first time ever. Hmm. There we go. Okay. Yeah, there we go. I had to refresh it. Okay, here comes the drop through 86. Volume gets real skinny above 93. Okay, 91's your target if you were long from 80. Okay, I'm up 5 points, moving my stop up. I swear to God, I'm never showing my stop again. Look, the second I show it, they fucking sell. Look at this. Every time. I'm going to walk away while this trade plays out. It's going to win no matter what. Let's go. He shoots. He scores. 08, right? Folks, did we forget? Where did it go? Is it Monday? Is it Monday? Didn't I have something drawn on this 15 fucking minute chart? What am I missing? What is the deal? 08 is the target, right? Where did it go? Where did my drawings go? Awesome. I don't understand how that's possible. That it's going to erase some of them, but not all of them. What? I was downstairs talking to the wife. You got that big offer 800 times at 53.10. Folks, there's no way we go to 8. Oh my goodness, there is 08. Reel the tape back and look at the 15-minute target. Yeah, bottom. Watch the turbulence that's going to happen right here at 08. Watch. You're welcome. I took that 12-point stop with you when my internet went down. It wouldn't let me get out. So I had 6 points of profit. I was moving my stop up. I've never seen my internet go down. I've had this same internet, since the beginning of time, because there's only one choice of internet where I live. But I've never seen it actually go down. Oh yeah, right down there. Yeah, that's what a hammer looks like. That's an actual look. Look at it is almost identical. Yeah, look at how they went to 08. I guess let me see if I can redraw it. I don't know. Why would it do that? Why? How? What? Why? Okay. Do you guys see it? It doesn't get any closer than that, right? When you go 08s and it goes to 09 and it stalls out and dies, you can say we were correct. Look at this. Okay, hold runners, no change. In order to sell today, 52.30 has to fail. 52.30. We are 70 to 80 points above that now. You can see that it held here twice. So that's a double bottom. That's a double bottom. See it, Dustin? The one at 716 for comparison. I don't trade at 716, so I don't know. 716. 7. There's one at 712, 710. Is that the one? I don't see any other swords. Do you mean 1016? I knew what you meant. Yes, it's what gave me my stop. So I took this trade here when the internet was down, and I did take a full 12-point stop out. See right here? But where's the location with this one? So this is the difference. There's a location here, which is prior swing low. There's no location here. Look, we are 13 points off of that '08, folks. Look at that. Nailed it. Nailed it. The 200. On the 15-minute, Robert. Oh, on the NQ. I was like I'm trying to look. I'm like, hmm. That's a little too optimistic there. I'm going to leave that there to see. So that's my over under 94.50 because you can see where they pulled liquidity for the last time. This would be not an ignition bar, right? But a blow off bar, right? What does Velez call the exhaustion bar? Excuse me. Ignition, plausible exhaustion. So now the each end like a book like bookends here. We're watching each side of this bar right here. This bar is what we're watching. Well, it's already 11 a.m., folks. It's already 11 a.m. I am small green today. I would love to tell you that I'm up $1 million. I'm not. That 12-point stop out hurt when my internet was down. That 12-point stop out hurt. I took the full stop. There was nothing I could do. And then when the internet turns back on, it's back up at 84, right? Think about that. Right? Oh, I don't think I've taken that many trades. Okay, one, two, three. I've taken four trades. See, and this one was a full stop out because the internet was out. It gave me 6 points of profit, almost 7 points of profit, but there's nothing I could do. This one looked good, and then it came back. This one looked good and gave me some. This one was a yucky. Okay, so I'm not super green. I'm not up millions and millions of pesos here, right? Take a look at this. Once the 15-minute fractal, wow, there's a whole bunch of drawings missing from my charts. Look at the 15-minute fractal when it flipped at about 47s, 50s, all over but the crying for the shorts. But the stops, they had to find more supply here. Um, yeah, my supply, right there, right, the old dunk. And now we wait. You always get what you get. That is confirmed.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, 03 over under, or 00 even over under. Very interesting. Watch OOs. Watch OOs. They keep finding a seller up there. Yeah, they keep finding a seller at 00 even. Do they go down to the 91s before they take it higher? There they are, leaning on the bid. My over unders are 94 and 05. Not exact, but pretty exact. Do they keep finding a seller at 00 even, or does it just give up? Does the supply just give up or evaporate, or does it really start to put the pressure on because it's getting all the fills that it can handle? Now you just look at your volume profile and you can see it. What are they doing at 00 even? Are they collecting supply to anticipate a price higher? Okay, meaning they need inventory, right? Or supply, which means they're letting out supply as it pushes through the OOs, right? They're selling to open or selling to close. Inventory would be buying to open, buying to open. They really look like they're trying to lean into this thing, right? But in a fraction of a second, it could be a big green bar because it's completely counter trend. Now, we're at the Mancini OOs. I fully get it. This could be a failed breakout. It could be, but it's not yet. There is a ton of supply up here, though. I will say this. Anywhere close to 90 evens that they can get, they're taking it. But they haven't found the seller below 96 yet. Starting to get some volume at 7 quarters. Here they come. Here they come. Okay, this is their last chance. This is the seller's last chance at selling at a lower price. Okay, they've been selling even, right? I'm reading the bracket here, right? We've got 96, 97, 25 OOs. Which one gives up, I guess, is what it would be, right? It wouldn't be that one is going to increase on the other. It's that one would decrease in relation to the other. Here it comes. Here's the crack at 96. There it goes. Okay. Down she goes. Down she goes. Down she goes. Do they hit 52, 64, 50 here? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, longs. Remember the tape read. Evens, right? Evens was your tape. They leaned. – 90, what is that number? 90 even is your next volume node. Here they go. Here it comes. Here it comes the slaughter. No, I didn't mention it. I drew it. I drew it way ahead of time. Nope. It wasn't a mention. It was a drawing, like a cave drawing. W pattern. W pattern gave you the target. And if you think about it, right, it was where they removed liquidity on the downside or to the downside. And then I'm trying to